Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have got snack surprise. I wasn't expecting this yet. They normally send them out at the end of the month, but I think because with Christmas and stuff, they didn't want things to get lost or late, so they've sent them out early this month, which is lovely. Snack surprise. If you don't know, what are you doing? It's amazing. It's a monthly subscription box and it is a snack box. Every month they have a different country. They feature a different country. I think last month we had Danish snacks, and yeah, there's loads and loads of ones. It is without a doubt the best value snack box there is available within the UK. I initially found them at the start of the year and I paid for a few months on my own and just did reviews because I really liked them and I thought it was really fun. Then they saw my reviews and they liked them and they offered to send me in PR, which is so lovely of them. But I am always honest and forthcoming in the reviews, and I hope you guys can see that. If I don't like something, I will tell you, don't you worry about that. I always feel like it's best to be honest because nobody likes a bullshitter. They do 3 different ones. They do a mini box, a original box, and then a premium box. I have got the premium box here, so let's jump in and I will show you guys what we have. Ooh, I have no idea what the country is this month because they haven't put it on their Instagram stories yet. Spain! Ooh! I can see Cheetos. So this is the box. I'll quickly give you a little rundown of what you get. So you get a little thing about all different Spanish facts. Then you get the mini box, which has got 6 items in. And then you can have the original box, which has the mini box, and then this one as well. And the premium box has all of this and all of this. So yeah, I'll put all the prices down below for you guys and I'll leave a link. I think I have a discount code still that they've very kindly given me, so I'll put that on the screen. I don't earn anything from that. That is just from them for me to give to you. So I will try and tell you guys what box it is from as it comes out, but if I forget for any reason, I will put it on the screen. So the first thing I've got is some ham crisps. I speak a little bit of Spanish, not a lot, but a little bit, so I'm hoping that might help me here in understanding. These are the premium box, fried potatoes that taste like ham. So crisps that taste like ham. The light in here is so weird today. Since I put all the kids' Christmas cards up, it's got really weird light in here now. Oh, they smell good. Oh no, they're good. I wasn't sure if I'd like them or not. Next, I've got Boca Bits. These are mini box, so you get these in every box that you buy. You'll get this savory meaty goodness. Ooh, they're like they're quite big, fat, chunky. Oh no. Oh, I don't like them at all. I feel like Ben's gonna like them. They're very savoury, but I'm not a fan of the texture's nice, but I don't like the flavouring. No, I don't like them. No, thank you. Next, I've got Cheetos. These look like little Halloween bats and ghosts. These are cheese flavour, and it says ghosty shapes in the like bats and ghosts that taste like cheese. These are original box. Little ghosty. Oh, they're good. Oh my god, they're amazing. They're the texture of Pom Bears, but they taste a bit like What's-Its. Oh my god, I love them. Okay, next I've got some jumpers, which are premium box. Butter flavoured corn snacks that are stars. The butter flavour will make you not want to stop eating them. Oh my god. My middle child is a bit obsessed with butter. She will love these. Oh my god, they actually smell like butter. Oh my god, that is so weird. Oh my god. You know when you have popcorn with like the fake butter flavouring on? That is what they taste like. Oh my god. Stop it. Oh my goodness, I love those. I just spat everywhere. Barbecue flavoured Fritos. These are premium box. Fried corn crisps with a barbecue flavour. I'm not the biggest fan of barbecue, so I'm not sure if I like them. But, oh, they look good. No. No. They are a really nice texture. They're a little bit too smoky for me, but I've just seen they are gluten-free because it says sans gluten. So I might give these to my brother because he is a celiac. But yeah, they're not horrible, but they're a little bit too smoky for me. I think we're on to the sweet stuff now. Look. Alright, we've got a drink. Like a Sarah. Schweppes. This will be the premium box. A sweet, oh no, that's not it. No, it's not the sweet, it's the original box. One of the most popular soft drinks in Spain. It can be served as a regular soda, although it is often mixed with wine or beer. Ooh, no calories. Let's have a look. Oh, it just smells like lemonade. It just tastes like lemonade. No, it's like if lemonade and cream soda had a baby. That's what that is. Right, this looks like seeds. Like sunflower seeds, it looks like. I think. Toasted sunflower seeds with almonds. Ooh, they sound lovely. Get open. Oh wow, they are some big ass sunflower seeds. They are massive. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're amazing. Oh, I love them. Mmm. They are yummy. They're really salty. I literally can't chew it. Am I not supposed to eat them like that? That's just like straw. Weird. Initial flavour of them is good. But that is literally like, you can't chew that anymore. That doesn't go anywhere. It's like hay in your mouth. Weird. I think these are chocolate covered peanuts. Let's have a look. Premium box. Chocolate covered peanuts. This little. Tastes a bit like M&M's, which I'm not a fan of. But the girls might like them. Yeah, they taste just like M&M's. Right, we've got some biscuits, some Filipinos with real white chocolate. Or is this a donut? Crunchy biscuits bathed in real chocolate. Bathed in chocolate, I love that. Original box. They look like little round. They're just a nice little biscuit. The kids will definitely like them. I am any little biscuit packets like this. The girls have got like a snack drawer, and I just put them all in there for them. Principi Estrellas. These are premium box. Sweet snack from outer space. So crunchy biscuits with milk chocolate and a delicious cream of milk. Again, the girls will like them. Just like a shortbready kind of biscuit with a little bit of chocolate in the middle. They're nice. so far, the Cheetos and the jumpers are my favourite. I've got a little pastry twist thing. Palmeiras, a crunchy puff pastry topped with sweet sugar. Try one with your morning coffee. I know these are yummy. I'm just going to break a little bit off because I've had them before and I know they're delicious. They're so nice and sweet and light. They are yummy. So nice and buttery and sweet and crispy and delicious. Right, we've got a Galaxy Mix, a Finny, which is typical Spanish sweets, strawberries, eggs and teeth. Children and adults love them. So it looks like Haribo. Ooh, let's get a gummy worm. I think there's a little octopus, look. Oh my god, that's so cute, look. Yummy. I've got a big cake thing, which is Fosquitos, a classic side of a Swiss roll with cream and chocolate. That looks nice. Have a little bite. Oh. The girls are gonna love that. That is delicious. Oh, that is so nice. Right, we've still got more. Right, we've got a Toki original. I think I've had one of these before. This is a crunchy wafer filled with milk chocolate. I'm not going to open this because it's basically like a timeout with wafers. And I don't want to open everything. But that looks really yummy. We've got a, oh, it looks like a sour dip dab thing, like in the UK. This, that was the original box, by the way. This is premium box. A fun envelope containing cherry flavoured lollipop and dipping powder. The lollipop is also filled with chewing gum. Oh my god, earlier on Aria got a magazine and she made me open this thing and she said it's sweeties, and I opened it and like ripped it open my teeth and it was bath fizz. I got it all in my mouth, it was gross. Oh, that's yummy. I love a dip dab. Oh, I love a dip dab. Remember the ones you used to get that had a stick and then like the cherry and the orange? They were really good as well. I can't remember what they were called. That is delicious. I'm not sharing that, I'm going to eat that later. Right, I've got melon, bubblegum melon. I don't like melon, so I'm not going to open these, and I won't give these to the kids because they're not allowed bubblegum yet, so I'm going to pop this into a food bank. They're really cute, look at them. Literally look like little melons. I like really don't like the taste of, I'm not the biggest fan of real melon, and fake artificial melon flavouring is just horrible. But they are really cute, but I'll pop them in a food bag. Because there's no point in opening them and just wasting it. I don't want to do that. These are cute. These are chocolate sardines. Look at them. I love that. And the melons are the premium box. The sardines are the premium box. A tasty chocolate twist and a Spanish favourite. Oh my god, they're cute. Look. Oh, they look like a little sardine. I love them. Oh. They're good. I'm going to give these to one of these later. Right, what we've got left. Something cakey. Pink Panther! This is a mini box. A delicious pink sponge cake with cream filling. It's a Pink Panther cake. I love that. Oh, wow. Wow, she's hefty. Look at that. It's a hefty little cake. Oh my god, it smells good. Oh, that might be my favourite. Oh my god, that's amazing. I'm gonna get Ari to come down in a minute and she can try something. Right, next I've got Lacasitos. These are mini box. These are milk chocolate chips covered in a thin layer of sugar in 7 different colours. So I think they're like Smarties. I won't open these now, but they literally look, I can open them, I'm just not going to try one. I don't want to take that taste out of my mouth because that's so nice. Yeah, they're Smarties. And then I've got some Finny sour nuggets. Ooh, these are mini box. Tiny colourful candy pieces that are wonderfully sour. Let's have a look. Oh, they're so pretty, look. They're like nerds. Mmm. Oh my god, they're amazing. I could literally just tip that whole thing in my mouth right now. I'm not going to. Oh my god, they're incredible. Oh. And then I've got some little sticks, Palots Damel, strawberry flavoured little chewies. These are premium box. I'm not going to open these because these look very, very chewy and I'll be here for a week. And then I've also got some little candies that are all cherry ones. Again, these are premium, mini box. I'm not going to open them though because they look chewy. Here's my little Aria. Ari's off school today because there's a confirmed case of COVID in the class opposite hers. So she can't go in today. It's not her class though, thankfully. I want you to try some of these. What do you think of them? Sour or yummy?
I like sour things.
You like sour things like Mummy does, don't you?
I like lemonade and Mika does them.
What about this? Do you know what flavour this is?
Oh.
Butter. How much do you love butter?
Really.
Is it good? Does it taste like butter? And then the last thing I want you to try, you know, you don't like the colour pink, do you? You don't like pink.
I love it.
How good is that? Isn't that good? So many good things. When Mika gets home, you can try some more. What's your favourite?
I want to try one more.
What more? One more do you want to try? Do you want to try... Do you want to try Cheesy Ghost?
No.
Oh, I thought you might. She's seen the Swiss roll. Right, you get a little bite. Take it out and you can bite it. I've still got to hold the camera. Good? Yummy, yummy? Right. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much to Snack Surprise for sending me this. As always, you guys are amazing. I need to go because she's going to eat this whole thing. You say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.